Hello, Maurice here again from A1 Roofing's KangaRoof out of Maryland. Yeah, we're getting ready to do a series of repairs on a home here in Baltimore City, Maryland, where the homeowners having a lot of roof leaks. There's a home that she bought years ago that was renovated, but a lot of the roofing portion of it, I guess, was done incorrectly. I want to show you the outside of how we're going to be doing the repairs for them. Okay, so please stay tuned. Okay, now what you see is our technician, the lead installer here. We've got a step flashing on, so we're bending our metal for our counter flashing. We use this piece right here, it's called a brake, and we've got our measurements for the counter flashing here. So you see our technician grinding the joint out, see that? And then we push the metal into the joint, and then we'll seal it off with a urethane sealant. Okay, so yeah, this is the dormer that we're going to be wrapping. As you can see, it's got the exposed wood up there, and that's not good because long driving rain gets in between the wood, and it'll cause the wood to rot out and cause leaks like the homeowner here is having. Okay, so what you see us doing now is our technician is putting a piece of metal. We're going to be putting it up here where you see the metal missing on the dormer there. That's where we're at with this. Okay, over now.